please stand up.
We forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil.
So, my topic for today is all about domains of development. This is the basic of my report. First is describe the key aspects of physical, cognitive, and social-emotional development throughout the person's lifespan. Second is demonstrate respect for diverse and perspectives and contributions of team members during group activities. And for the third, and the objectives is illustrate the physical, cognitive, and social emotional development of a person. So, this is our objective for today. So, can somebody recap the previous lesson? Can somebody recap the previous lesson? Miss Maktul, the previous lesson. Okay, let's give a round of applause, please. Okay, this is the periods of development, which is it has infancy, childhood, adolescence, adulthood, and the old age. So, for today, I'm going to have an activity called Finger to Color. Listen carefully because I'm going to say it twice, okay? The mechanics of the game. So, the mechanics of the game is you're going to point your finger to the corresponding color that I'm going to mention. But note, there are different kinds of fingers. This is the pinky finger, the ring finger, the middle finger, the index, and the thumb. For example, I'm going to say index to black. You're going to point the color black by using this index finger. Do you understand it? Yes. Okay. Yes. So, you can stand. Everybody, you can stand. Pinky finger to white. White. And middle finger to yellow. I think you mastered it
Sisip.
Your will add you rule. Okay? This is it. Find it more and let's make it interesting for this adding the new rule. Okay, I'm going to read the mechanics again. The new rule is wherein you are not allowed to stand anymore or to crawl. Even to crawl, you're not allowed. It's up to you. How will you manage to point your finger to the corresponding color that I'm going to mention? The students will lose the game, will be the candidate for answering the question that I provide. Okay? Did you understand it? Okay.
Okay, ma. Go na eh.
Bring your finger to lavender. Okay, stand to those students that lose. Stand it. Stand. Please stand. Please stand. Please stand. Stand. Usap ang lavender. Stand. Guys, stand. Lavender.
Sa TV.
Lavender is light violet. Oy, violet. Hindi na siya light violet.
Yeah.
Purple violet.
And ang purple lavender ko.
Isa na pink pala ninyo. Give me number. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here's your How did using different fingers to match the colors affect your coordination and motor skills? How did using different fingers to match the colors affect your coordination and motor skills? For your standing to this.
Bisaya.
Moving right away by
Moving fast. Yes. Okay. Give him a hand of applause, please. Okay. Very good. He said that by coordination and motor skills, doing what? The effect of his coordination and motor skills is by being fast. Okay. So let's go back to the game. Middle finger to gold. Gold. Okay, give me
Okay na.
Kaya? Adi,
So,
lain na po na mo
he said
video.
that
Yeah.
If we could find the matching color by his mind. Yes, give him a round of applause. Last game.
Last G.
Middle finger to Aquamarine! Aquamarine! Aquamarine!
Adi ba?
Green. Buka siya green. Buka siya green. Buka siya green. Ito ka to? Ay kani?
Easy number na lang, kamu na lang.
11.
11. Sige na, sige. Sige na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Gawas. Gawas.
Here's your question.
How did you feel?
How did you feel when you got the match the color within that time? What emotions did this bring up?
Unfair. Kaya ako balon si Kuya.
Okay, give him a round of applause, please. He said it's so unfair. Yan. Ganda.
Question,
So, I think you know our topic for today, which is
Ayun.
no, it's domains of development. So for the by okay, by Stanrap 2002, wait, please be quiet. By Stanrap 2002, he mentioned that human development pattern of movement or change that begins at the conception and continues through the lifespan. So, pasabot yun ani siya is, ang atong kinabuhi, ikan ka mo sa, sa atong mama, to mamatay yun ta. Mugi na sa atong, mugi na, but that's the reality. So, he said that growth and decline. Mugi na siya sa atong kinabuhi, which is the development can be positive and negative. So, makita mo ni tanong ang kaning more of the people is it has negative and positive in their not just physical but also in their cognitive and social emotions. So, sa negative is more often lagi mga tao nga wala gid na biyayaan og kadas na kay wala sa negative or more on sa what mga PWDs yung na siya sa mga negative. And then positive is to those people na okay kayo, stable din sila sila the way na okay? So, as Tantra 2002 mentioned, development as a process is complex because it is the product of biological, cognitive, and social emotional processes. So in the biological processes involve changes of individuals' physical nature. So ang biological processes is dihang ugawas na to ato ang it hits the puberty. Nakakuha na sa puberty na kita yung tanan? Yes. So, sige sa to wala naman sa puberty, isa to. Sige, bata pa ka. So magkakuan na kita. O, di ba? Mag-rest. And then, di ba? Mag-rest yun. And then, sa voices, magka-gadang sa apple. Changes of, voices, which is, it is called baritone. And for the, kung magkamasin mo sila, and then, magkatangas yun ang height. Lahat sa mga lalaki o sa mga babae. So, that's it for the biological processes or biological development. For the cognitive processes involve changes in individuals' thought, intelligence, and language. For this example is sa cognitive processes. Sa muscular ta, sa elementary, tudluan taog mathematics, which is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Kana siya, hanggang nga nag-college siya mataron, kung nga nag-basic math pagita, mo-apply kita sa higher math, which is the calculus, trigonometric, and many more. For example is, 1 plus 1 is equals 2. Kung nga ato na sa higher math is, that is, no. Sine inverse plus cos inverse is equals to 2 pi squared. That's it. And for the, creativity, magsugod yun sa kanang, labi na itong mga, sa puzzle-puzzle, di kita makadadali, rabag yun, sa una, bata pa tayo, panglabay na ito na kayo, nakabalo. Pero pag the more na mga kuwanta, maka-learn kita nga, dili lang kayo sa itong own lang yun. Sa sa language is, sa mga bata pa lang ta, from one word to one sentence to makanimo na kita o maka-communicate na kita sa lain tao. Una siya sa communication code when it comes in cognitive. Nakasabot mo sa biological and cognitive? Okay. So, the last one is the socio-emotional process or the socio-emotional development. Include changes in individuals' relationships with other people, changes in emotions, and changes in personalities. So, dari na itong si uyab. Diba? Sa socio-emotional, not all people na kay dili ang mga principle kay gusto ka mag-uyab, dili kasi nanak. Nagyuban nga gusto nga mag-uyab because it's boring. Pero no man sa island yun. Munang, hindi kita mabuhi kung wala kita uban. Okay? So, there is a personality. Ang darin sa personality is one of the best example is inside itong emotions.
Anger.
Oh, inside out. Yes, inside out. Which is, sa bata na nagtuta nga sadness raw o joy ang more on sa atong emotions. Pero pag magkadako kita, makanagito si anxiety. Which is, pwede ta yes, pwede ta maka-depress with stressful na kayo pa because that's the reality nga. That's the reality nga. Face kita sa kinabuhi. So, that's for the social-emotional. So, nasabtan ninyo? Yes! Okay. So, these biological, cognitive, and social-emotional processes are inextricably intertwined. So, ang kasagutan is, kung naisa nga kanaging murag, kung sa PC pa lang siya, kung naisa nga mapaiwi, parang murag, dili siya pantay sa inyo. Example na ko ha, nice example na is, paano kita mga tao, wala sa kuha, bugasun ko. Ang sa kuha cognitive is, so ako muna na rin, mag-negative na gano'n ang cognitive. So murag dili ko kadali o adapt sa mga knowledges na labi na sa kuha kay, sa social-emotional na ko is na makahadlo ko interact sa lain tao because of my physical appearance. Because of that, kung sa biological is that, natunayan ko ito ang bugas-bugas. Kung sa cognitive na ko, mag-listen ko o adapt galing sa mga needs na dapat normal sa mga tao. Muna siya ang next example. And then, other is scoliosis. Kabalo mo scoliosis? Yes! No, scoliosis is... Oh, yes. negative na gid na siya siya dili siya yung naka wag na wala din siya ay pangit na po dili wala siya confidence so di siya makadali og adapt sa mga knowledges na dapat ma-adapt niya sa tama niyang edad. Sa social emotional is maulawon siya. Isa po na siya nga maulaw siya kay tungod siyang physical appearance. Muna as mga students nata sa college dapat kita maulaw, dapat makigusa kita sa aling tao, and then be confident lang yun ka always. Yes. So and then I'm going to divide this class into 3 groups, which is this is the count to 1 to 3.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
2,
Dili, gato.
1, and 1.
Ay, ano na? Sige, dapat may tulong ka rin.
Sige na, go na.
Di pa nila objective.
Go na. Hoy, si 4. Ikaw 3.
Ano ka ba nung ha?
1, 2, 3.
What's the last number?
Oh, 3 ko.
Amon ako.
So the group 1 is you will draw a representation of physical development that is in growth, in motor skills, and physical health. So sa group 1, okay.
Dali ka muna. Okay pa ang time.
Which is lahi ang activity, lahi ang objective sa application ninyo. Wala, okay din siya ang lingon sa mga coach. I will just give you 3 minutes man lang sa. Sige na, 3 minutes na po. Group 2 is, okay.
Group 3.
Sa group 3, sa group 3. Okay, faster. Say one.
Apil ko.
One.
Hoy, isay board today. Oh, bye.
I-apil ko ninyo sa lahat.
Oh, kabadbaran.
Okay. 216, dapat kuha na po.
Uy, number 3.
Sa obey ka na nag-iso doon.
So, kano ba sa mga I want to eat. Ang communicate na siya. Kana lang yun.
Ay, hindi. Kami yung yun.
Gapahay si Bubbles.
Hindi ka ba mag-drawing dito? Okay. Mag-drawing yan. So, drawing ka. Ito ka?
Guys, hindi na kayo magtawag ng drawing.
Drawing yun, di mo na yun.
Saan na?
Yo,
Ay, dili. Kaya ko. 5, Bali, kasi nakaingan. Ulo sa baby. Dragon po. Oo, stickman. Stickman yan. Butay buhok.
So, pagkastik mo na ng baby. Ako, magdako na siya.
Development man. Sige pala, stick man.
Dali ayaw ninyo.
Mind man na. So, yung tawag ka ng Malaysia. Versus comics, bali ba?
O ano, stickman na gamay. Tapos pag-ibig mag-lounge sila.
Sa word na magdaoboy.
Sige na, go.
Stickman ha. Sugod na sa... Uy, stickman! Lagi yung kinuha stickman.
O gani, stickman lagi.
Kanina na. Tapos magsasabi siya nga
Baby sa gamay nga stickman. Baka na, gamay.
Tawa ka ron.
Gamay nga tail.
Ano ka sa AJ Bar? AJ Rice.
Clouds, ito yung clouds. Bla bla bla.
Oo, butangi yung
Bla bla bla.
bla, ABCD, ano ito, bata pa man siya.
Bla bla bla.
Kaya lagi, bla 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 lagi, tapos pagkasunod, butakot na siya, dahil mo nag-ABCD.
Ayos sa.
Tuldok kayo lang, tuldok eh.
Tulog-tulogin mo.
Isa ka katao, God. Oo.
Sa isa na katao.
Hindi na, dali.
Kamay. Mama, baka, na mama.
Mama.
Uy, lista ko ninyo. Sige ka. Lista ko.
ABCD ra oy. A to Z. ABCD. Uy. Last one niya, reading tayo.
Buti group. Mag-quiz na. Wala pa? Wala pa ng 30 minutes? Wala pa ng 30? Wala pa man ng 30 minutes? Sige na. Job, Jobilay. Kina, Jobilay. Okay na ka? Sige na, pag-thank you na. Thank you. Okay na? Okay na?